Today it's Saturday the 4th of August and the time now is 10:53. Not sure how many of you know, but today is the Sync the Planet ride where riders across the world at 12 p.m. Paris time, they go for a ride, whether alone or they gather their friends or riding buddies or whatever. It's just a way to feel connected. Now, as I'm a lone rider, I've been doing it since its inception, and I actually feel when I ride that I'm actually riding with others. And the subject this year is, what's your definition of true freedom? And I should stop going around, because in the last video you guys got dizzy. What's the definition of true freedom, and how do you get there? Now that's deep. That is really deep, and I don't have a doctorate in philosophy or in social studies in order to answer that on a macro level, that is. But on a micro level, it's basically you finding something you love to do and do it. Let it take you away from the stresses of every day. And while doing it and excelling at it, or even not excelling at it, you do feel that sense of freedom. Now, total freedom, I think I do and did experience that. And one example is me up in the Atlas Mountains on a dirt bike with no phone signal. And it's just me and the bike and the dirt roads and doing enduro. That's my definition of true freedom. Because I know the office can't contact me, nobody can contact me. I'm in control of what happens. But unfortunately, when you finish that, you're back into your daily grind and the stresses of life. But if you concentrate on your hobby, then you're always looking forward to that, and that gives you that sense of freedom. And when you're doing it, you do get that sense of freedom. It's a bit complex, but you know what I'm trying to say. So today's ride, what time is it now? In 4 minutes time, I'm going to go and try to locate the Gumball 3000, because I heard they're in town, and tomorrow they are on their way to their tour or adventure, whatever you want to call it. And we'll see if we can locate them. I doubt I can get close to them because they close the roads and whatever. And I'm not going to go and try and mingle with people, but we'll see. I'm doing Sync the Planet today.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, so I thought I'd just check out some cars, but there's nothing here.
I've pretty much seen all your videos, so it's away.
Yeah.
Is that why you wear the helmet?
Yeah. And that's why it's no disrespect, but
yeah. Are you down here all day? Are you down here all day?
No, I'm just leaving. Just came to see what the fuss is all about, but I can't see anything. Where are they?
P1 GTR just turned up.
Yeah.
But that's it at the moment, there's nothing else. Really.
I'm not really into cars, but a lot of the guys who follow me are, so... Team 42. How much do they pay?
How much do they cost?
No, how much do they pay to get in?
Want to get into the rally?
Yeah.
It's about 3 grand.
Really?
About 3 grand.
Nah, I heard it's 50 grand, man. Yeah.
Even better than that.